vCard demonstration. In this video, Benhermas will show you exactly how a vCard works using our LED card, our transparent card, and our plastic card. Phone model used in this demonstration is iPhone 13. For a full list of compatible devices, please visit the Compatible Devices section on our website.
Next, we'll show you a real-life demonstration of how the vCard works with
The LED card. This is the LED smart card. As you can see, it has a mock-up design with printed graphics. On the back, you'll notice a QR code. The LED smart card lets you share your digital contact, vCard, by simply tapping it on a smartphone. The LED lights up during use, and a link instantly opens your vCard, which shows your name, phone, email, and other information. No app required. For phones without NFC, there's a QR code on the back that works the same way when scanned with a camera. The card has no battery and can be used unlimited times with no extra cost. You only pay once when you buy it. It's a simple, modern, and effortless way to network.
Next, we'll show you a real-life demonstration of how the vCard works with the transparent card.
This is the transparent smart card. Its clear, modern design makes it stand out immediately, offering a sleek and futuristic look. To share your digital contact information, simply tap the card on a phone and a link to your vCard instantly opens, showing your details like name, phone, email, and social media. It requires no apps, battery, or fees, and works for unlimited taps. For phones without NFC, the QR code provides the same function, making networking simple and stylish.
Next, we'll show you a real-life demonstration of how the vCard works with the
plastic card. This is the plastic smart card. It features a printed design with custom graphics and artwork. On the back, you notice a QR code. The plastic smart card makes sharing your digital contact information quick and effortless. By tapping it on a phone, a link instantly appears, allowing the recipient to open your vCard with just one click. No apps required. For phone without NFC, there is a QR code at the back that works same way when scanned with the camera. Simple, reliable, and professional networking with your plastic smart card. Next, we'll guide you through a real-life demonstration showing exactly what you need to provide and how to provide it, so we can create your vCard card. First, you'll select your card type, whether it's the LED card, the transparent card, or the plastic card. Next, under the NFC and QR code section, you'll choose what happens when the card is tapped or when the QR code is scanned. For a vCard, simply select Full vCard Contacts. This will open your digital vCard directly on a phone. You can then provide any of the following details at your discretion: your full name, phone number, email, company, job title, address, and website. All of these fields are optional. Just remember to separate each entry with a comma. If something isn't clear, we'll use our best judgment to assign the fields, and in rare cases, we may reach out to you for clarification. And as mentioned, all fields are optional, so you can decide not to include something like your address in your vCard.